Alrighty, TT Squad, we're gonna do a Popeyes mukbang. We're gonna try Popeyes chicken sandwiches. There's Jessica.
Try some Popeyes chicken.
Yes, we're gonna go try some Popeyes chicken. We're right now driving over there, and we're gonna try it with 7 sauces. Chick-fil-A. No, it's not 7 sauces. 6 sauces. Chick-fil-A sauces with Popeye chicken. Yum. So let's see. We're gonna go over there right now. See you in a little bit.
There you go.
Alrighty, TT Squad. Yep, we got here. We're gonna do the drive-thru in Popeyes chicken.
I've never eaten at Popeyes chicken.
I've never eaten at Popeyes chicken. This is actually no. We ate one time. We ate recently in California. But the line's not that long here. It's not that bad.
We'll see. Hopefully there's some chicken sandwiches left.
They're gonna be sold out.
Yeah, let's see if it's sold out.
I hope not.
All I know is those chicken sandwiches better be good because everyone's hyped them up.
I know. I've heard so much hype for them.
So much hype. The place selling out chicken sandwiches. They
Sometimes
sold them
it's
out.
bad though when there's too much hype.
Yeah,
Because then
I know.
what if it's not good?
I mean, first they sell them out, then they bring them back, and then there's a knifing.
The incident involving the Popeyes Spicy chicken sandwich.
Again.
We're not going to get stabbed, no.
That's why you go to the drive-thru.
And what's going to be different is we're going to try all 7 sauces. Chick-fil-A sauces, all 7 of them.
Is that legal?
I don't know.
Is it legal to put Chick-fil-A sauce on a Popeyes chicken sandwich?
I don't know.
We're gonna find out.
Yeah, hopefully they don't come arrest us. Hopefully FBI doesn't break down my door and arrest us.
Yeah.
And our camera guy, Lovey, is in the back seat.
We threw him in the back.
He ain't getting no Popeyes chicken sandwich.
Yeah.
He's just gonna have a little itty bitty piece since he's the cameraman.
No sandwich for you.
Yeah, no sandwich. He's just gonna get a morsel. He's gonna get a crumb of the breadcrumb. We'll take a piece off and he can have some with the sauces. This guy in front of us looks like Dane Props. Is that Dane Props?
We'll try.
He looks like Dane Props. Dane Props, if you watch his videos.
It's not dangerous.
Yeah, it looks like him. He might be in Orlando, Florida. He loves Popeye's chicken.
Go ahead with your order.
Yeah, we're gonna take 3 classic chicken sandwiches.
Okay. Anything else for you?
No, that's it.
All right, City, go forward, okay?
Okay, thank you. Popeye's chicken. We're at the drive-thru. Here you go. Thank you so much. Oh yeah, we got the Popeyes chicken and we got the sauces. Let's take this home right now. Let's go. Jessica, hold it. Alright, ETT Squad, we did a little switcheroo. Now Lovey's gonna drive, the camera guy's gonna drive, but I am so excited. Aren't you excited, Jessica? Let's see what they brought. They put, oh, it smells so good. 1 Popeyes chicken sandwich, 2 Popeyes chicken sandwich. We got our napkins, 3 Popeyes chicken sandwich. Is this gonna be the thumbnail? Jessica, come over here. Maybe this will be the thumbnail.
No, thumbnail's ready.
And then she just gave us 1 sauce.
What do you expect?
It looks good though.
Yeah, it looks good, right?
Really spicy, right?
Yeah, it looks spicy.
20 minutes later.
Alright, ETT Squad, we're home.
Let's eat.
Oh, Popeyes, wrong side. We got the bag here, and we got the
we
chicken.
have our sauces too.
We got our sauces. Oh yeah, this is Jessica's.
Let me see.
That's yours.
Smells good.
And this is mine. All mine.
Can you
Quick,
see that chicken?
thumbnail in case this is a thumbnail.
Oh wait, let me fix my bag. Okay.
Yep, that's it. All right. Okay, now the whole idea is Lovey's gonna cut the sandwiches. Actually, let's pull them out of this.
And let's show you these sauces too.
Yeah.
We have all the Chick-fil-A sauces here. I
The
don't know if
original
this is
sauce.
legal. We got Chick-fil-A sauce, the original. We have Polynesian sauce. Zesty Buffalo.
Ooh, that sounds good,
It
right?
does
Zesty
sound
Buffalo.
Barbecue.
Barbecue.
Are you big on ranch? This is
Okay, a little bit. I like ranch
garden
just a little
herb
bit.
ranch
I guess everyone likes ranch.
and
then the
honey mustard. Usually
honey-
I like honey mustard, but I haven't tried
Yeah,
the
it tastes good with
Chick-fil-A
the waffle
Yeah.
fries. We forgot waffle fries. And they don't sell
yeah,
Popeyes.
they don't sell Popeyes.
But look, this is the way. Ooh, look at that. We
good.
got it plain with no mayonnaise, no pickles, because you know, ETT squad, I do not like pickles.
And we
Oh.
want to use these sauces.
Yeah, so look, this is the way it looks inside.
The chicken is really like big, especially compared to the Chick-fil-A
Let me
chicken.
see compared to yours. Oh, hers is big too. Look at that.
Because Chick-fil-A, the patties the chicken patties are really small.
It smells
great.
good. It smells good. The breading looks good.
The bun looks good too.
So now Lovey's gonna cut them in 4, I think. What are you gonna?
Three
Three?
each.
And
Yeah.
then we're gonna try some
And then we're
sauces
gonna
with
try it.
them.
We're gonna experiment with the sauces.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Looks
All right. So now that Lovey had a little idea. He cut the pieces so it kind of looks like a disaster, but
It still looks tasty though.
it looks little. It
Look
looks
how
like
good
mini
that looks.
sandwiches. We're gonna try with. I'm gonna open. Well, Lovey already opened this sauce. This one's the Zesty Buffalo. You wanna
we're
the
trying that first?
Yeah, let's try the Zesty
Okay.
Buffalo first.
Let's dip that
Actually, you
in
can put a
there.
napkin underneath.
I'll wait for you. Go ahead.
All right there. Okay, let's try it. Let's see with the Zesty. The Chick-fil-A Zesty with the Popeyes chicken.
That's spicier than I thought it was gonna be for Chick-fil-A.
It's good. Actually, I never had,
The chicken's really good.
the whole time that I've gone to Chick-fil-A, I've never had that Zesty.
No, I haven't either.
And it comes out, so this chicken sandwich is delicious.
Yeah, it is good.
Those videos, they weren't lying. Dane Drops wasn't lying. None of them were lying. Nope, it's good. Boy, this whole thing.
Let's try another sauce. Let's try should we do the Chick-fil-A sauce last?
Yeah, let's do the Chick-fil-A sauce last. Let's do the Polynesian.
Hold on, camera guy's got to get in there.
He's eating my favorite one. That sauce, we're going to save it for me because that was really,
It is
really
good.
good. Okay, now we're going to do the Hawaiian.
All right, let's do the
Like if we're at the Polynesian.
Yeah. We'll be at the Polynesian eating our
Yeah,
Polynesian sauce.
Yeah, and ETT squad, we're going to be staying at the Polynesian for Christmas time.
I'm making a big mess.
So that's going to, let's see.
All right, so we got plenty of Polynesian sauce on there because I really like Polynesian
Let's see.
sauce. The Polynesian sauce is good because it's like pure
Sweet.
sugar.
Yeah, it's good, but so far I like the spicy.
Yeah, the spicy one's better with the sandwich.
I'm going to have some spicy.
Let me have a little.
You can
more
have
spicy,
Polynesian.
too. No, I'm going for spicy too.
Oh boy, that is so,
So
good.
good.
Actually, how about a little bit of spice and a
know
little
what-
bit of sweet?
You know what would be good
combination.
too? The ranch with the spicy, like you do chicken wings like that. Let's try the ranch next.
Let's try that with the Zesty.
That's what I was thinking. I'm gonna try it with and without. All right, I need to find a good piece here. I'm gonna
This
try
is
it with just
good.
the ranch first.
ETT squad, this is
is
delicious. I am being honest, because I didn't think this was going to be so good.
Yeah. Well,
This
I mean, and
sandwich-
we're kind of like doing our own thing here because
Yeah,
we
we're
got
trying the
Chick-fil-A
sauces
sauce.
exactly, and then we'll try the spice. We're gonna try the spicy Popeyes because they gave us some too.
That's actually better than I thought it was.
What
gonna
is
be.
that one? Ranch?
Yeah, but it's like it's got like spices or something. in it.
Really?
It's like garden herb ranch. It said, but it's different than I was expecting because I don't usually eat.
Yeah,
ranch.
it's good.
It is good.
It's
but
good.
now
How
we gotta
about
try this
Buffalo.
with this. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. Do you care if there's buffalo sauce in the ranch?
Yeah, no.
Okay.
God, I like the. Let's try like chicken wings.
Oh yeah. That's good.
This is
It's like eating chicken wings on a sandwich.
it's delicious. And the camera guy right now, he decided to make mashed potatoes. So we'll see how that works out with the third Popeyes chicken sandwich.
All right, what's next?
Okay, what's
Barbecue
next?
or honey mustard?
Let's try the barbecue.
Okay. That way we save. Those are my
What do you want, camera guy?
I was gonna say,
Save
What?
those for
you haven't
last.
touched Chick-fil-A sauce yet, have you?
Not yet.
No,
we're gonna
not
go
yet.
last.
That's gotta be the last, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's gonna be the last, and then we're gonna try it. No, that's not gonna be the last.
We're
gonna
saving
have
the best for last. Oh,
we're
yeah, we have
saving the
spicy
Popeye
sauce.
spicy. That way we could compare
Yeah.
Chick-fil-A spicy with the
Yep.
Buffalo spice with
Yeah,
Popeyes.
exactly.
Now this is the
Let's
barbecue.
see who has a better spicy sauce.
Cheers. Barbecue.
Yeah, I gotta get some barbecue.
It's good too, right?
It is good.
It's good.
What's your favorite fast food restaurant barbecue sauce? I prefer the McDonald's one. I don't know what everybody else says.
McDonald's, really?
Their barbecue sauce for me is the best one.
Really?
What do you think?
I don't know. I haven't really had that many sauces at McDonald's, but out of all these sauces so far that we've had, God, they're all good.
The
They're all.
spicy is good though.
The spicy is good. The spicy is good with the ranch.
Let us know in the comments
Yeah.
what your favorite sauce is.
Yeah,
from
let
fast
us
food
know.
restaurants.
Definitely let us know. Let us know if you guys try the Popeyes chicken sandwich with the sauces, with one of the sauces. See, tell us what you like.
Let's do honey mustard. I'm a big honey mustard fan.
Oh, we didn't say about the bread. The
What
bread's
about-
actually good.
Oh no, we did. I think in the beginning we did.
Really? That bread's delicious.
I'm a big honey mustard fan. I can't open this one, so there we
But
go.
this bread is good.
It is.
This bread is definitely a lot better than Chick-fil-A. Sorry, Chick-fil-A, but
Yeah, you know, I've only had Chick-fil-A, the sandwich from Chick-fil-A a couple times. I thought it was good, but this is a lot
this
better.
is a lot better. This is a lot better. I have to say,
Okay.
I almost like this sandwich better than
This honey
Chick-fil-A. Sorry,
mustard
Chick-fil-A.
looks a little like, I don't know, what's the word for it? You know how like the
Gelatin?
honey, yeah, it looks like,
Yeah, it looks like a
Gelatin.
different. It doesn't look like the
it's
white.
like kind of funny looking, but
All right, let's try. Let's go ahead and try that one.
is that okay? Should we eat
Let's try.
it?
Let's try. It's sweet.
It's almost like they tried to make it sweet like the Polynesian
Yeah.
sauce. And it doesn't have the like right texture of honey mustard.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, Lovey's he's being all fancy there with the mashed potatoes.
Gourmet and
Fancy.
Gourmet.
Fancy.
What sauce now? Which is your favorite so far?
So far, the spicy.
The spicy right now.
Whatever, Zesty Buffalo. Yeah, that one's good. We've used almost the whole container of that already.
Now we got
We saved the best for last.
We
At
got-
least I think so.
we got the original Chick-fil-A, but we're gonna try the spicy, the Popeye spicy.
Oh, that's right. That's for last.
Okay, now we have
Chick-fil-A sauce.
the Chick-fil-A sauce. Yep. Oh, there's the mash. Whoa.
Oh, we got the mash rolling
We got the
in.
mash. This is what Lovey made.
Got some mashed
Cheers.
potatoes. It's steaming.
Oh, and it's steaming. This is gonna be interesting. I think Lovey has to warm up the other chicken
Let's
sandwich.
move some of these over.
Doesn't look like
Uh-oh.
Lovey's eating any chick
I
sandwich,
think we
Popeye's
ate
chicken
all the
because we're eating
chicken.
it all.
All right, let's try the Did you try the Chick-fil-A already?
No,
Oh, okay. Let's go for it.
I was busy trying that spicy one.
I want a lot.
So let me put-
'cause this one's good.
So I don't have that much bread, so I'll try it with. Whatever Popeyes did to their chicken sandwich, this chicken
But
breast.
the Chick-fil-A sauce actually goes really good with
this chicken breast is so good with the crust, the breading. I like it, right?
Chick-fil-A is not going to be very happy with us. But you know what? This sauce is my favorite. It's like Chick-fil-A sauce is almost like a white barbecue sauce, but it's really good.
It is good. Let me try that.
So I'm trying the chicken sandwich plain.
Yeah.
It does need something. It does need a sauce.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
It's good, but it does need a sauce.
I
Now-
think it's because the chicken's thicker, so it's like not dry.
Yeah. Now, the Popeyes. Now we got the Popeye sauce. This is the way they serve the sauces. And then
And this is the spicy sauce.
yeah, this
too.
is a spicy sauce.
That's the one they serve on the chicken sandwich, the spicy chicken sandwich.
Yeah.
So basically,
interesting.
we're gonna have a spicy chicken
Yeah,
sandwich
let's
now.
try.
Let's see whose sauce.
Levy's
is
gonna have to
better.
give me more of his sandwich. Let's
We
see.
ate like all of
I
it.
gotta start eating it before you guys get into it.
Let's see. I hope it's not too hot.
Yeah, I don't know. It looks kind of hot. It almost looks like you could see little pieces of pepper in there.
No, it's actually not that hot.
It's not?
No.
You see how you could see the little flakes of pepper in the sauce?
No. Ooh, that is hot.
It's not
This
that
is hot.
It's
I'm
hot.
on fire. You could taste it
Are you
after.
seriously?
Lovey, give me some water. I forgot the drinks. Pass me the. Oh, Levy's gonna give me some Guinness.
I knew it was going to be spicy because I saw
Cheers.
the
Cheers. With. Oh, that's spicy.
Guinness to get rid of the spice.
Yeah, no. Sorry, Popeyes.
I
mean,
like
if
it.
you guys you like it.
Well, I mean, you know what? It's very mayo based, but
it
then it has that
distorts-
back heat.
Yeah, it distorts my taste buds.
Yeah.
I definitely like
If you
it.
like really spicy on your chicken sandwich, then that's perfect for you.
Okay, so Popeye's chicken one for the sandwich, and for the sauces,
Chick-fil-A definitely.
Chick-fil-A
won.
sauce is definitely the best.
And then what's your favorite of all the Chick-fil-A sauces?
the hot sauce,
Okay. I'm like
number one.
in between two. I like the hot sauce, but I still love Chick-fil-A sauce.
That spicy sauce is the best. That one Popeyes is not.
Uh-oh, it's getting stolen.
Lovey stealing it.
Yeah.
This bread
The
is.
chicken sandwich is good, but it needs a sauce. It needs a Chick-fil-A sauce. Which one's Chick-fil-A? Regular?
This one.
I guess now we could try the mashed potatoes. I don't have no more chicken sandwich. I want
You can
some.
have some of mine.
I want some more. This is so good in the mash.
So now you guys gotta go try it. Get the
You gotta try
Popeyes
it.
chicken sandwich, get all the Chick-fil-A sauces, and try them for yourself.
Let's try the mashed potatoes.
And let us know which one's your favorite.
It needs some sauce. Maybe if I put
Oh yeah, it's a good idea.
a little barbecue sauce. Turn into a Popeye's chicken with some mashed potatoes. We didn't get mashed potatoes.
Spicy
that hot.
mashed potatoes.
Spicy mashed potatoes. Let's try it.
Is it good?
good, it's
I
good.
gotta
Try it.
Is there anything left in here?
Yeah, it's good.
I just want a little bit of spice.
This is good. And we got some little bit of Guinness.
Oh yeah, it is good. Oh, who would have thought potatoes with hot sauce?
Yeah, so,
It's good.
yeah, so everything was good. Cheers.
Cheers.
Glad you guys watched. If you got to the end of the video, everything was delicious. We definitely recommend Popeye's chicken over Chick-fil-A.
Yes, we do.
And then all the sauces.
All the sauces were
You gotta
good.
you gotta do your mukbang with all the Chick-fil-A sauces. Alright, so don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like the sauces, don't give no thumbs down. Thumbs up. Because
And comment down below.
I got a couple of haters that do thumbs down. But even a thumbs up and a thumbs down, I like them all.
We want to hear if you like the Popeyes sandwich or if
Yeah.
you like the Chick-fil-A sandwich, which is better.
Yeah, which is better. Bye, TT Squad.
Bye.
Love you guys. Bye. I want one. Try one over there too. I want that right there. Can you do the one there too?
Yeah.
Here, just the whole one.
Both all this.
Yeah.
Sure.
Come on, camera guy.